I got a sea lion coming up pretty close to them.
Yeah.
Oh, there, you see?
Oh, they're all the way. I think it's drift along. I counted like 50 of them.
Whoa!
Yeah, those things
Look at all the birds.
Get them landing in the water.
Oh my god!
Oh.
See them land in the water and it's just like a big old splash.
Pretty awesome.
What do you do? How can the spaceship go into that water? Because he wasn't good at it. He really never went underwater. There's some kid like this every wave. You always get all of these. I know we get like every wave.
Wow, where all those birds come from?
How can you miss any waves?
It's like black out there with birds.
You can just see them.
Probably would be good to be a kayak
All you
rider.
do is get in front of it and just jump right. All you have to do is sit there.
Whoa.
You like diving? You like diving?
Look at that.
Riding? There's no way to do it.
They're looking, they're circling, they have a school of anchovies or something that they've found.
Or nothing.
Look over there by the boat.
Oh, that looks like. Look at all the splashes. Look at all the splashes. That's awesome.
There.
Right there, Mom.
Go by the boat.
Whoa!
Oh my goodness.
There must be a lot of fish there.
Like trying to create a whirlwind or something.
No, where did they all come from?
I don't know.
They probably came out of the tree.
See, I think those are fish jumping in the water. See all the little
You're
splashes?
kidding me.
I think those are fish.
Whoa. Throw your fishing pole out there.
I think some of those were, at first I thought they were all fish, but I think a lot of I thought they were birds, but I think those are fish. Yeah.
There's like fish jumping up in there.
Wow, this is a great fishing time. And you don't have your fishing pole.
All you gotta do is paddle out there with a raft right in the middle of that and you catch yourself a salmon.
Yeah, no, but you're over 50 times. No,
Oh my word.
She's like covered in poop, you're all white, and you have a big old cannon, you're sitting upside down. Because you're in your little kayak, and you see everything. Dark! I can't flip!
Grab it.
You see? King. Oh, seven. Shake, you see it? Shake a kayak pole with these fishing poles. Shake, you see a kayak pole? Shake. Shake maybe this for poop. Okay, big ass count. I want to get covered by diarrhea. Probably get away.
Yeah, I know.
Probably just a small little boat.
It's funny if big old fat wave comes and becomes small.
A tidal wave. A tidal wave comes. Tidal wave goes.
Tidal wave will kill us all right now.
Tidal waves kill all the birds. I've never.
It's like once in a while they just all jump in. See how it gets white there?
Yeah.
I have a feeling they're swooping around and they're picking up anchovies or mackerel or something. Because I've read in books, they said if you ever see a fish frothing on the water, just go right in the middle and start fishing because the salmon will be going after the bait fish as well.
Oh,
So birds are great, but I've always like looked and I've never seen anything like where birds go after stuff.
See, look at
They said they made a splash and the birds went.
Hey, Dad, take a film in the middle.
Yeah, yeah.
That's a splash.
Just raw splashing. Yeah.
Look at those ships out there. Oh man, those are all small. Those are all fishing.
I don't see anybody.
What the dolphins up there?
Kind of blurry. Kind of blurry. Yeah, these birds are just circling around.
They go for miles.
Yeah.
Miles.
Yeah.